Hello, Mr. Chia here again. Now I would like to discuss about pricing. This particular topic is on pricing decisions. How do we price a product? Now, there are many ways of price setting for a product. We can, for example, set in the traditional method whereby cost plus profit equal to sales price. Unfortunately, this method is not so good because if your cost is too high or your profit that you want is too high, your sales price will be high. Now, please consider when a consumer buy your product, they are not interested in your profit requirement, they are not interested in the cost. They are only interested whether the price is suitable for them and give them a sufficient return for their money when they buy the product. In other words, the customer is interested in the value to them, your product. So another method of doing pricing is what is the market price that the customer wants to pay. Now you have to do research as a company, which market segment you want to be in operation. And in that market segment, what is the reasonable price? And once you understand what is the reasonable price, maybe you can get information through research or questionnaire or looking at the competitor pricing. Once you get that market price, minus your required profit, the result will be the cost. Now, from this method is very much different from the earlier method that I mentioned. The earlier method start with cost first, but this method, the cost is the in. So what the management accountant should do is look at that required cost, compare with the actual cost, do the variances calculation, analyze why there is a difference so that the actual cost can come back in line with the target cost, and target cost plus the profit is equal to the market price, which is the same as what the customer wants. Now, in terms of pricing, irrelevant information, like for example, earlier sunk costs, these are not important. Irrelevant information must be taken out from the formula of setting pricing. Now, there are many types of pricing methodology. I think you can look at your marketing cost to get a more detailed analysis. But as far as management accounting is concerned, we should be looking at target cost because the market price will be decided by the market, not decided by the company. Thank you very much.